buddy? What's the matter? What's the matter? Did it scare you? Oh, honey. You're okay. Be scared. You're all right. Good boy. Honey, what is the matter, baby? Why are you making this sound? What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? That's a terrible sound you're making. As Mommy worried about you. Scared the shit out of me. Are you all right? Baby. My God. All right. You guys don't fight. God. That was the most awful noise ever. Here, baby. Are you okay? I wish I never heard you growl like that, my king. Oh, that scared Mommy really bad. Are you okay? Oh, what got you upset?